Hello, today we're gonna make burger, homemade burger. So it's simple. I don't like to add breadcrumbs to it or anything. I just like the raw beef. All you really need is a little bit of some salt and you're good to go. Alright. The key to this is to shape it like a burger. See? I'm using my hands to shape it like a burger. So it's that simple to make a burger. Then you just use a fork and make some holes. That's it. Okay, you had this pot, say about medium heat. Keep it for about a minute before you add oil. Then add just a little bit. See, just about a spoon or a tablespoon. Then do this to even heat. And you just this is a little trick. This is what I do. Just to let it not stick, you can put some oil on it and then I compress it. So while it fries for about a minute, I remove the cover and then you can just do like this with a fork. Make sure it's free. Because we're gonna flip it. If you have a spatula, that would be good. Because I don't have a spatula, I'm being creative. So that's it. So what I do now, because I like my onions sauteed, I just put my onions right alongside here. And press it like that. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let it stay for. Because I don't like raw onions. But if you want, you can serve your own raw. And remember, you're gonna work under it. So this is the final product. Look, by all means, use a hand towel when you're pressing it. So now we're going to dress it. If you like mayonnaise, you put some mayonnaise on it, like that. Then some ketchup. I usually put ketchup on the other side. Then you can use cabbage or lettuce depending on what you have to use. So if you're using cabbage, supermarkets usually wash them, but wash it again. Then tomatoes. Some onion, and because I'm using bread, I use half of a burger. So that's it. It's that simple to make a burger. That's it. And oh, I forgot the cheese. This is for you cheese lovers. So that's it, a burger.